up, you guys? It's Mamer. We're out here at the biggest race of the year, Crandon International Raceway World Championship weekend. Wrapping up my first season in Pro 4, there's a lot to take away. I've learned a lot. I haven't really ever been full-time in a four-wheel drive truck, and that was a big learning curve. And so much as building your own truck, we learned a lot on that line too. So we know what we're gonna go into this off-season and change, getting ready for the season, but we're not slow by any means. We're a really fast rookie, so we're only gonna get faster from here on out. Crandon means a lot to me. It's the biggest race of the year. We have 9 months to think about this race. We don't have another one 2 weeks later. Luckily, I've won it a few times now in a Pro Light, so podiumed in a Pro 4, and Crandon's the biggest race in my opinion. It's the platform you want to win at. All the best of the best are here. It's growing, the sport's growing, there's more cars here than ever. So just to see the growth of the sport from year to year, every year at Crandon is pretty epic. I'm confident behind the wheel now, and I think Bark River showed the speed that we had. So just to move forward from here, have the confidence in my guys, the team, the truck. We're coming swinging this Crandon. I got nothing to lose. I got 9 months to repair this thing. So we're gonna go full send, and I'm glad to finally open this thing up and really see what we can do. I'm Mamer. You can catch me in the number 35 Falcon tires with free suspension, Pro 4.